Have you ever wondered why, in the ever-evolving realm of fitness, the simple yet powerful body weight squat stands the test of time? Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of squats, exploring their science and uncovering the myriad benefits they offer. So, buckle up as we embark on a journey through the humble yet transformative body weight squat. In a fitness landscape filled with flashy trends and complex exercises, the body weight squat often gets overlooked. But let me tell you, this unassuming exercise is a game changer, providing a plethora of benefits that can significantly enhance your overall health and strength. Stick around because by the end of this, you'll be surprised at just how much the simple act of squatting can do for you. Let's start with the basics. Body weight squats, a fundamental exercise, involve bending your knees and hips, lowering your body toward the ground, and then returning to a standing position. No fancy equipment needed, just your body and determination. Now, let's unravel the science behind why incorporating body weight squats into your fitness routine is a fantastic idea. Benefit number 1, strengthen lower body muscles. As you descend into a squat, you engage your quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and calves, stimulating growth and improving muscle tone. This newfound strength translates to enhanced athletic performance, better balance, and a reduced risk of injury in daily activities. Benefit number 2, build core strength. While squats are renowned for leg strength, they also demand a strong and stable core. Your core muscles engage to maintain balance and proper posture during a squat, leading to increased core strength essential for overall stability and functional fitness. Benefit number 3, enhance joint health. Squatting through a full range of motion lubricates the hips, knees, and ankles, improving flexibility and maintaining joint health. This is particularly beneficial for those stuck in prolonged periods of sitting, countering the negative effects on joint health. And the benefits don't stop there. From improving bone density to burning calories, aiding in weight management, and enhancing digestion, body weight squats are a complete package for your overall well-being. All right, clever gainers, quick pause in the action. If you're enjoying the content so far, and I know you are, let's keep the momentum going. Hit that like button, show some love, and if you haven't already, smash that subscribe button. Don't be shy, join the Clever Gains family. We've got a lot more in store for you. Now that we've established why squats are a must, let's talk about how to perform them properly. It's not just about going up and down, it's about precision and form. Stand with feet hip-width apart. Engage core muscles. Hinge at your hips and lower into a squat. Maintain a straight back, neutral spine, and aligned knees and toes. Return to the starting position by pushing through your heels. Keep feet flat on the ground. Avoid inward collapsing of knees. Focus on controlled, deliberate movements. Practice proper breathing. The number of repetitions varies based on your fitness level and goals. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced fitness enthusiast, squats can be tailored to meet your specific needs. Now, can you do body weight squats every day? It depends. Factors like fitness level, goals, and overall workout routine play a crucial role. Listen to your body, incorporate rest days, and vary the intensity to avoid overtraining. With that said, thanks for joining us on this exploration of the timeless body weight squat. Incorporate them wisely, and you'll be on your way to a healthier, stronger you. Until next time, keep squatting and stay fit.